Welcome to another TBI Talk video. Can the brain heal itself? Understanding neuroplasticity after brain injury. Survivors of traumatic brain injury may find themselves wondering, can the brain heal itself? And the answer is yes. The brain is incredibly resilient and possesses the ability to repair itself through the process of neuroplasticity. This phenomenon is the reason why many brain injury survivors can make astounding recoveries. You're about to learn how to harness neuroplasticity after brain injury to promote your best possible recovery. Thanks for joining TBI Talk. Enhancing recovery through neuroplasticity after brain injury. For many decades, scientists believed the brain was a, quote, non-renewable organ, end quote, with a limited number of brain cells that faded as we aged. However, through advances in neurobiology, we now know that this isn't the case. In fact, researchers have discovered the exact opposite, that the brain is fluid and rewiring itself throughout your entire life. Your brain is constantly shaped by your experiences. Different pathways may form, whereas others may become dormant. This is because your neurons, or brain cells, rely on pathways and connections to deliver these messages that are responsible for every bodily function. When the brain sustains damage, such as from a stroke, or in this case, traumatic brain injury, many of these pathways are damaged and interfere with communication. Thus, without clear communication, the brain and body cannot function properly, which makes it challenging for survivors to perform daily activities. Fortunately, with the help of neuroplasticity, can the brain heal itself after an injury? So, can the brain heal itself after brain damage? Yes, absolutely, with the help of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to create new pathways and strengthen existing ones. This enables healthy parts of the brain to compensate for damaged areas. You can imagine it like this. When a street or freeway entrance has been blocked along your daily commute, GPS may suggest an alternative route. This alternative route may be unfamiliar and take longer to navigate, but it will lead you to your destination. The same concept can be applied to neuroplasticity. Use it or lose it. The importance of repetition. Now you may be wondering how to activate neuroplasticity after brain injury. Neuroplasticity is best activated through repetition or massed practice. The more you practice a certain task, the stronger your neural connections become. As previously mentioned, the brain adapts to experiences. Therefore, when the brain encounters a certain experience or action repeatedly, that pathway is reinforced and strengthened. For instance, to improve your ability to walk, you should practice walking in safe environments. Additionally, there are leg exercises that you can do to strengthen your body and assist with mobility. It's important to practice impaired skills after a brain injury to prevent loss of function altogether. For instance, if your dominant hand was affected, you may be tempted to use your non-dominant hand instead, especially during mealtimes. However, in doing this, movement in your dominant hand can potentially diminish due to non-use. To prevent this, you must attempt to use your dominant hand as much as possible. This is where the popular phrase, use it or lose it, comes from. Pushing through neuroplasticity. During the first few months of brain injury, the brain enters a heightened state of plasticity. In this state, the brain spontaneously repairs itself and the survivor often experiences rapid progress. Therapy may also have a much more visible impact during this time. This, of course, an exciting time, but can be one of concern too. Stay tuned for the next TBI Talk video where we continue to research this topic. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.